A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is aspirations, fueled by conviction, guided by purpose, lifted by cosmic intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, across continents and centuries, human progress has always begun as a quiet stirring within, an impulse rising from the unseen realm of possibility into the seen world of action. Aspirations are the gentle currents that lift the human spirit beyond circumstances, beyond limitations, and into horizons yet unimagined. When conviction fuels these currents, when purpose shapes their direction, and when cosmic intelligence silently accompanies their journey, aspiration becomes not just desire but destiny in motion. Science and ancient wisdom now converge on a remarkable understanding. Aspiration is both an inner event and a universal phenomenon. Neuroscience shows that every sincere intention fires clusters of neurons that begin weaving new pathways, imprinting the brain with patterns of clarity, resilience, and focus. The more an aspiration is held with steadiness, the more these neural pathways deepen, forming the foundation for creative thought and meaningful action. At a subtler level, quantum studies suggest that consciousness interacts with probability fields. This implies that a focused aspiration carried with coherence acts like a signal of order in a universe governed by patterns, symmetry, and vibration. It nudges possibilities toward outcomes aligned with its inner clarity. Ancient sages described this not in the language of equations but through metaphors of light, breath, and cosmic rhythm. They saw the universe as an orchestra of harmonies, like galaxies spiraling in ratios found in seashells, and planetary rotations mirroring cycles within the human heartbeat. In their understanding, aspirations that arise from sincerity, compassion, and inner truth naturally resonate with this cosmic symphony, drawing support not by force but by alignment. Conviction anchors this resonance, Studies on human electrophysiology reveal that when conviction is calm, heart-brain coherence increases dramatically. In such a state, intuition sharpens, emotional turbulence subsides, and the mind begins to operate with unusual clarity. Conviction becomes the stabilizing energy that keeps the aspiration luminous even through uncertainty. Purpose, meanwhile, provides the blueprint. Purpose organizes the aspiration into direction, turning a spark into a steady flame. When purpose is expansive and uplifting, it synchronizes human intelligence with the wider intelligence embedded in the cosmos through communion. It guides choices, attracts insights, and transforms obstacles into stepping stones. This interplay of aspiration, conviction, purpose, and cosmic intelligence forms a quiet architecture beneath extraordinary achievements. It is the underlying truth behind every movement of human transformation. What's the way forward? To allow aspirations to mature with grace, a refined and gentle practice supports their journey. First, pause and listen within. Let the aspiration rise without pressure, emerging from clarity rather than urgency. Second, give it meaning. Shape it with a purpose that uplifts, adding depth and direction to its intention. Third, strengthen it through steady action. Nurture it daily through calm conviction, allowing small, consistent steps to build momentum. This simple flow offers stability, direction, and quiet power, turning aspirations into pathways of realization. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, aspirations achieve their highest form when conviction steadies their flame. Purpose gives them direction, and cosmic intelligence lifts them beyond the limitations of circumstances. Every individual carries these three forces inherently, waiting to be awakened, aligned, and allowed to guide life toward deeper meaning and luminous possibility. In the timeless voice of Lord Krishna, in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, capturing the essence of this eternal dance between intention and the universe. When purity of intent and steadiness of action unite, the entire cosmos moves in harmony to fulfill that purpose. May every aspiration rise gently, move purposefully, and blossom in the vast intelligence that sustains all creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.